akaseera akayise kabaka yakoze enkyukakyuka mu baami b'amasaza n'atuwa omwami omuggya gw'oba otuwulira amannya ge mu Kyaggwe.
Neyanza nnyo ssebo olw'ekibuuzo ekyo. Omwami omuggya ow'essaza Kyaggwe ye ow'ekitiibwa Ssekiboobo Vincent Matoda.
Essaza ly'e Kyaggwe lyasemba ddi okuba n'enteekateeka ya Nnalulungi? Mwaka ki essaza lye lyakoma okutegeka enteekateeka ya Nnalulungi?
Neyanza nnyo nnyabo. Essaza ly'e Kyaggwe lyakoma okuba n'enteekateeka za Nnalulungi mu nnaku z'omwezi nga 28 Ogwokuna mu mwaka 2023.
Amannya ga Nnalulungi y'ani?
Amannya ga Nnalulungi ye Nnalulungi Nalwanga Nuuru.
Tweyanza.
Kabaka bwe yabadde atuwa omwami omuggya alina gwe yawumuzza.
Ssebo
kweba otuwa amannya ge.
Ssebo gwe yawumuzza ye ow'ekitiibwa Boogere Elijah Lubanga Mulembya.
Omukyala Natumaani Judith yani musaza ly'e Kyaggwe.
Omukyala Natumaani Judith ye
Tweyanza ye mukyala akulira Mubeya Cultural and Tourism Center.
Tuweeyo ebyobulambuzi bisatu omuntu singa abaze mu Kyaggwe teyandisaanye kuvaamu nga tabituuseeko.
neyanziza nnyo ssebo olw'omukisa guno. Ekisookera ddala ekiyiriro Ssezibwa ne Mubeera. Ekyokubiri Mabirwa Forest oba ekibira ky'amalira ne
woofiisi za ekitongole ky'obuwangwa n'ennono zisangibwa mu ggombolola ki mu Kyaggwe?
woofiisi z'obuwangwa bw'ennono zisangibwa mu Tuba ena Kawuga.
Tweyanza.
Namba 7. Omwami Patrick Sekabembe yani
Omwami Patrick Sekabembe yakulira ebyobuwangwa n'ennono mu Kyaggwe.
Yeyanziza.
Namba 8.
Wanjinyawo.
Nsaba okumbuulira hotels 4 ezisangibwa mu Kyaggwe. Ondagirire 2 ku zo nzituukako nti.
Hotel esooka tulina Bambusiye Hotel era nga eno okwata w'otuuka ewa Ntoni emukono okwata ku kkubo eridde Katosi bw'otuuka Namira okyamamuko katono era zirina akapande awo zisangibwa. Tulina Colin Hotel nayo w'otuuka Enkalu mu town ziri ku mukono nga wakayita ku Lwebugerere ziri ku mukono ogwa kkono ng'ova Kampala ode Jinja. Tulina hotel endala nga eno ye
Mpamanya ng'omubaka omukyala akiika mu Paalamenti ya Uganda ng'ekitundu ky'akiikirira kiri mu ssaza ly'Enkalu.
tulinayo Betty Nambozi.
Weebale nnyo.
Congratulations, Queens. I know it's a long night, but this is the time when we get to choose the top 5. We're going to get... Okay, for that, 5. Congratulations, number 8. Nine. Congratulations, 2 more left. Congratulations, 3. Number 1.
That is a miracle.
Congratulations, you're almost a step towards this. We'll go straight to the questions. We will ask you 2 questions. One is going to be in English, one is going to be in Luganda. What do you prefer, English first or Luganda first? Huh? Any? Alright, let's do English first so that we move to the next one. This question is 1 question and all of you will answer this question. I'll start from number 1 going over. Luganda will start from this other way side going descending. Please, organization would you collaborate with? Why and what challenge would you want to address in line to our theme this year? I'll ask this again. To represent Kyaggwe internationally, what organization would you collaborate with? Why? And what challenge would you want to address in line with our theme this year, which is peace tourism? Organization, why, and what challenge would you address in line with our theme? Thank you.
If I were to represent Kyaggwe internationally, that organization that I would work with I would work with Atamba Farm. Yes, it might not be an organization, but it is part of the people that are sponsoring this thing, the Miss Tourism Kyaggwe. And why I would choose partner with these people is to promote my project that is to do with culinary tourism. And in this project, I would love to use food, which is the universal language, to promote peace, whereby we will have experiences where tourists come and go on the farm and see how local food is processed, how it is grown and processed, and also how our local foods like matoke and luwambo are prepared. Because I've seen this in Atamba Farm when we visited it on our tour. Thank you so much for the question.
If I happen to represent Kyaggwe, I'll definitely want to work with Buganda Heritage and Tourism Board so as to address the issue of young youths being ignorant about their culture and their norms. If I happen to work with this organization, I'm very sure it will handle this problem, since my project is back to my roots and it's aiming at educating the young youths to go back to their cultural norms as our grandees lived before. We all know that many youths now are overtaken by the .com generation, which wouldn't be right, because if you don't know where you are or where you were, you can't know where you're going. So that's the organization I would love to work with so as to promote my project, like to address the issue of ignorance about the culture and norms. Thank you so much, Judge.
If I get a chance to go international, I would love to work with the Uganda National Tourism Board. In that, it will help me to promote tourism in other countries. And I also promote our own tourism here, mostly in Kyaggwe, because the Seziwa Falls and other tourist attractions, they tend to be destroyed by our own people. So I think the Uganda National Tourism Board can help me out with our leaders on how we can stop the destroying of our own resources. When I do go internationally, I would like to work with Uganda. Actually, I would like to work together with BHTB, the Uganda Heritage and Tourism Board. This is
is because when I reach out to Uganda Heritage and Tourism Board and find out that our Mabira forest is being destroyed by different people and making our animals to run away from them, making our totem to run, or even dangerous people. I think I would like to work with them so that we can come together to go or to get away of how we can protect our animals and they also get peace. Thank you.
If I happen to go internationally, I'd like to work with the Uganda Tourism and Heritage Board, whereby I'll use this platform to help me put through my project of empowering the youth in order to reduce unemployment. And I believe by reducing unemployment, we can fight, we can promote peace and tourism, whereby if someone is employed, the country is peaceful, there is no chaos, and through employment, we can encourage youth to practice practical skills. For example, I'm doing catering, and I believe with the help of this organization, we can create camps where we teach youth how to cook in order for them to create their own businesses in order to earn, and this can reduce on the chaos in the city and unemployment of the youths. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, thank you. Once you return, we shall be getting to the real work.
Jayo, kapulire kaluka banne mayuba.
Dikterensigana tuli wano.
Owenda mayuba. Abenda mayuba.
Kyaggwe.
Kale kati bajja ne basibo bajjaji babadde boogedde nnyo tetwagala empewo ebafuuwe taka oba olina fridge osobola ogimuwa nja gimutwalira naye sente ze oba ebyapa